In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of using AdScale, an AI-powered platform for automating and optimizing your advertising campaigns. Whether you're new to AdScale or need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started. So first, make sure you are on the AdScale website and sign up for an account if you don't have one already, and log in if you already have. So, after logging in, you'll be prompted to connect your e-commerce store or website to AdScale, and then follow the connection process by providing the required API process or login credentials. Next, link your Google Ads or Facebook accounts or the other supported ad platforms to AdScale, and then go to settings sections and then click on the ad accounts and then grant permission to access and manage your accounts. And after that, on the dashboard, click Create New Campaign and then choose the type of campaign you want to run. Then you will see there the search ads, social media ads, and the shopping campaigns. And then after that, you can customize the campaign settings via setting up your budget, selecting your target audience, and adding your products or services for promotions. You can also use AI recommendations if you want to. And also to monitor campaign performance, you can go to the analytics dashboard to view the real-time performance metrics such as clicks, conversions, and ROI. And then AdScale will highlight areas where you can improve performance, such as underperforming keywords or audience segments. And after that, you can also enable smart campaign automation to let AdScale manage bidding, targeting, and budgeting automatically. This feature saves time and ensures your campaigns are optimized continuously. And that's it. That's how to use AdScale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.